what's up guys, it's your boy Forbidden G back with another video, and it feels like it's been about a year since I've recorded, but it's probably been like 3 months. So I'm back with a new series. Depends if it goes on, if you guys like it. If you do, by the end of this video, drop a like, subscribe, and tell all your friends about this because this is pretty damn dope. So just to start off, I'm a starter too. As we're going along, you're learning and I'm learning too. So don't expect me to be a god at coding. So we're gonna start off by making a new folder so it's all organized. So go on your desktop, which is the easiest place to access. New folder. This tutorial is only for Mac. I will be making a Windows version if this gets enough views. So let's change the name, which I can't do right now. Rename, try to stick to a one word, it's way easier. So let's go with Discord. That's easy, simple, and unique. So it's not unique, but so what you're gonna do is go back to your coding. I would recommend using Visual Studio Code. It's the best out there at the moment. Other options are Atom. Atom's also pretty good. So what you're gonna want to start off is first make a new new file, and then make a new file. Then you're gonna want to save it somewhere. So let's save this. Save as. Save it where you're. So on desktop. I cannot find it right now. Okay, let's just do desktop for now. And let's call it. You have to call it index.js. Okay, that's the simplest way to remember it. So you want to do index.js, give it a tag if you want to. I'm gonna, because it keeps me more organized. And it's not going away. Save. Once it's saved, you can see it here. I'm gonna do that. It's gonna say deleted. Welcome, open folder, Discord, index.js. Okay, now that we have our file set up, let's get into the coding. So what we're gonna start with doing is downloading the libraries. So you're gonna want to start off, and don't worry, I will guide you through this. Const Discord equals require brackets speech marks discord.js. Now, how to download discord.js? What you're gonna want to do is go to Safari, type in node.js or .org. Then you want to download for Mac. The best is LTS. I would recommend that, but if you prefer 13.01, that's your choice. So you're gonna want to download this. I'm not gonna do it because I already have it downloaded. Then go to terminal. Then you want to type in npm v. npm v. This, if you get an answer like 6.12 or anything, you know that it's downloaded. So what I'm gonna want to do next is go back to your other screen, and let's continue the coding. Also, just when you're here, you want to download node install discord.js. No, it's npm install discord.js. And there, it should be downloaded. Next, what you want to start off by doing is include the Discord client. So how we're going to do it is const bot equals new Discord, if I can type, Discord dot client. Now what we're going to add to that is disable everyone, colons true. What that does is if the bot cannot ping everyone, and when some it's fine. The bot cannot ping everyone. Next, what you're gonna want to do is add the unhandled rejection. So process the on. I'm sorry, 1 second. Okay, my pizza's here. Process on unhandled rejection. That's that, comma, console dot error. Now what you want to add to that is bot on ready, async, brackets, close brackets, that, and open curly brackets. Enter, and this is where your code starts. Oh, I did something wrong. I forgot this. Okay, what you're gonna want to do next is, let's just leave that alone for now. Maybe console.log ready. Next, you're gonna want a bot to listen for messages. So bot.on message, async message, if I can type, open brackets, enter. Then you're gonna start off with, let's just do the basic commands. Let prefix equals, so this is the prefix, so if your command's like help, the prefix would be that. So let's just use that as an example right now. Next, what we're going to want to do is let message array equals message dot content dot split, and leave it like that. Next, let's do the arguments. So const args equals message dot content dot slice brackets prefix dot length. Then you want to do dot trim, so it removes the prefix from the overall command, and dot split. And I'm gonna do slash addition slash g. Next, that should be the arguments for now. So let's start with the command. Oh wait, I made an and command, sorry, yet. Const command equals args dot shift dot lowercase dot to lowercase brackets closed, so there's no argument. Then let's start with our first command. If command equals ping message dot reply pong. Then what we're going to want to do, now that you have the basic code for our bot, let's get the bot up and running. So you're going to go to your browser, search up Discord developer, go here, Discord developer portal, and I have a lot, but let's make a new application. Name Discord, create. Now, what we're going to want to do first is go to your bot, add bot. Yes, do it. Too many have this username. Well, that's not that good now, is it? So let's just do yay. Create. Oath2, let's see if not too many people have it yet. Add bot. Yes, do it. And there we have our bot. Now, no point, but here, let's do this. Click the reveal token. Now you want to copy this, Command C, go to Visual Studio Code, then do bot.login, and then your token. Also, for those smart asses out there, I will be changing it, so you can't really log into my bot. Now that that's saved, let's do Command S, and then go into our terminal. Again, what we're going to do here is run this file. So, start off with node users, your user. So, then desktop, then the name of your file, which I forgot, Discord, index.js. Let's run it. Process. Like a genius, I spelled process wrong. Now let's try that again. It's gonna copy and paste it, not to waste time. So gotta save it. Wait for it, you're gonna wait until it says ready. Now go to Safari. Then there will be a link in the description, but I completely forgot about it. So I'm gonna copy your client ID. So you just want to click on administrator, client ID. You're gonna copy it from Oath2, from bot. General information, copy your client ID, paste it there, and then you should have it here. Now open that link. Let's add it to YT tutorial, administrator, authorize. I'm not a robot, I can assure you that. Palm cheese, palm cheese, palm cheese, palm cheese. Then you want to go to your Discord. Go down to I can't find my server. YT tutorial there. You should see it. Yay. Now let's try the command, shall we? Ping. Pong! And there. We have our bot ready and set up. In next week's video, I will explain to you how to add more commands and more arguments. That's all for today.